Hello students, good news for all central government job aspirants. There is a Diwali gift from Staff Selection Commission. SSC has released the exam calendar for the year 2024-25. This is a good opportunity for all of you to plan your preparation. Very quickly look at the key information in the notification. SSC has released the notification for the first time so much in advance. If you look at the main exam, CGLE, you have 10 months of time to plan your preparation. And this calendar rules out the possibility of NRA-CT exam. Unlikely that NRA-CT exam will be conducted this year. Now, if you look at the exam calendar, the important exams, I am talking about the exam month. If you look at April, May, we have exam for selection post. May, June 2024, we have SI in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces. Similarly, we also have junior engineer exam, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, again in the month of May, June 2024. In June, July, we have CHSL exam and multitasking, non-technical staff and Havaldar in CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, Central Bureau of Narcotics in the month of July, August. CGLE, Combined Graduate Level Exam in the month of September, October 24, and stenographer for Group C and Group D, Grade C and Grade D in October, November 2024. Now, if you look at all these exams, if you are eligible, try and prepare for CGLE exam. If you prepare for CGLE exam, automatically you can clear all the exam because the syllabus more or less is same and level of difficulty will be little lesser when compared to your CGLE exam. So prepare for CGLE exam, automatically you can write all these exams. Now look at the calendar released by Staff Selection Commission. Now when we look at this calendar, April, May, let us look at January month. January 2024, these three are departmental exams. Lower division clerk, upper division clerk, grade C stenographer, these are internal promotion departmental exams. Then in February, we have 3 more notifications expected, that is date of advertisement, tentative date of advertisement. We have selection post exam, SI in Delhi Police and junior exam, junior engineer exam notification, tentatively advertisement in the month of February. Dates are also given there, 1st February, 15th February, 29th February. Then CHSL exam in April 2024, the date of advertisement, exam month in June, July 24. Then multitasking, and this exam, this notification in May, exam in July, August. Combined graduate level exam, date of notification or advertisement in June 2024, exam is in September, October, and July you have 2 advertisements or 2 notifications going to be released, stenograph grade C and D, junior and senior Hindi translator, the exams in October, November. Then constables, GD is general duty in Central Armed Police Forces, National Intelligence Agency, then Secretariat Security Force and riflemen in Assam Rifles. Advertisement date in August 2024, the date is also given 27th August tentatively, exam in December 24 and Jan 25 exam notification, exam tentative exam is also mentioned in this calendar. So actually you can plan your preparation right now. Even though you are appearing for the first time, the freshers who are going to write the competitive exams or central government exams for the first time, as well as people who are writing from last couple of years but missed out on clearing the exam by few marks, good opportunity for both of you to pace your preparation, to plan your preparation. You have ample time to write mock tests, so revisit the concepts, revise the concepts, write mock tests and analyze them, plan your preparation. Everything can be done because 10 months of time is there. If you look at your CGLE exam, prepare for CGLE exam, automatically you can write remaining all exams. CGLE and CHSL, almost same syllabus here, but level of difficulty in CHSL exam will be lower level of difficulty compared to CGLE exam. Now, For SSC CGLE, we offer classroom program as well as online recorded program. If you are interested to join a classroom program, please contact the nearest time center. If you are planning to take a recorded course, online recorded course, you can join online. The link is for the course details and to enroll is given in the description box. Right? We wish you all the best for your examinations.